Hey everyone, welcome to AI Finder. Today, we're diving into something super fun and surprisingly powerful. Creating your own custom character using Dzine.ai. Whether you're a content creator, digital artist, educator, or just someone who loves bringing ideas to life, this tool lets you build characters and generate stunning, personalized images with ease. No design skills needed. Let's jump in and see how it works. Now, let's explore some of its most exciting features, starting with Insert Character. First, open the image where you want to place your character. Once it's loaded, select the character you've already created or trained. Then, type your prompt, something like, "A cow cat is walking with a car girl." After that, simply mark the area in the image where you want the new character to appear. Adjust the camera settings for angle and lighting, then hit Generate. The result is fantastic. The character blends seamlessly into the image, and it looks like it was always part of the original scene. If you want to change the character later, it's just as easy. Select the area where the current character is placed, choose a new character, type your updated prompt, tweak the camera settings again, and click Generate. The new result is just as impressive. You get a multi-character image with accurate proportions, great lighting, and full visual consistency. It's almost cinematic. Now, let's talk about to build your character. To start, head over to Dzine.ai and click on Character. Then choose Build Your Character. You'll be given two options: start with a description or upload photos. Let's begin with the description method. Click Start with Description. From here, give your character a name and describe their appearance. Try to include details like hair color and style, clothing, facial features, and any unique traits like glasses, tattoos, or accessories. The more detailed your description, the better the final result will match your vision. Once your description is ready, pick a visual style by clicking View All Styles. You can choose from cartoonish, realistic, anime-inspired, and more. Once you've made your choice, hit Generate Character. In just seconds, Dzine.ai will present your brand new character. Click on it, start training, and your custom character will be ready to use in no time. Now that your character is ready, it's time to get creative. Inside the image generator, you can change outfits, add actions or poses like walking in the park, and customize the environment. This allows you to create final images that look exactly how you envision them. The results are fantastic. Characters stay consistent, the image quality is sharp, and everything looks cohesive. Whether you're building scenes for storytelling, marketing, or just for fun, it feels like you're directing your own AI-powered photo shoot. If you want to create a digital version of yourself or someone else, Dzine.ai has you covered with the photo upload method. Enter your character's name, then upload between 1 to 30 photos of the same person. Around 3 to 5 well-lit images usually give excellent results. Once your photos are uploaded, click Start Training and let Dzine.ai do the work. After training, go to Use Inconsistent Mode. Type your prompt, like Alejo is sitting on a bike. Set the style, adjust your settings, and hit Generate. The results are truly impressive. The likeness is often spot on, and the visuals are both personal and professional looking. Dzine.ai doesn't stop at character generation. It also offers tools like text to image, image to image, image to video, and lip sync. These features make it a full creative suite for visual storytelling and content creation of all kinds. Now let's talk about the image to video feature. To begin, simply upload your image. Then choose a motion model. Type in your prompt describing how you want the image to move or animate, select the video duration, and hit Generate. The result is visually stunning. The image transforms into smooth, AI-generated video that feels dynamic and professionally produced. It's perfect for reels, intros, or adding motion to still visuals. Finally, the lip sync feature. Start by uploading an image with a clear face. Use the built-in cropping and sizing tools to adjust the face area. Then, choose a voice model or upload your own voice.
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media? Then I'm the voice for you.
Type a script or prompt, click Generate Audio.
Dzine Lip Sync brings your favorite tracks to life with flawless fun and vibrant lip sync performances.
And then hit Generate to bring your character to life.
Dzine Lip Sync brings your favorite tracks to life with flawless fun and vibrant lip sync performances.
The result is super impressive. Your image literally talks with synced lips and natural expressions. Dzine.ai also provides flexible pricing plans designed to suit a wide range of users, from casual creators to professional teams. Each tier gives you access to different levels of functionality, including things like fast generation speed, video output, and commercial rights. Whether you're experimenting with personal projects or building branded content, there's a plan that fits your workflow. And that's it. Your custom character, ready in just a few clicks. Whether from text or photos, Dzine.ai makes character creation simple and fun. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching AI Finder, your guide to creative AI.